question revolves around originality. If an AI creates a sculpture based on existing works, who owns the copyright? Is it the AI developer, the artist, or the AI itself?
Another concern is authorship. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it might create works indistinguishable from human-made art. This raises questions about the role of the artist. Are we moving towards a future where algorithms become the new Michelangelos?
Perhaps the most significant question is the impact on human creativity. Will AI-generated art devalue human expression? Or will it push us to explore new frontiers, leading to a renaissance in art? These are questions that artists, technologists, and society need to address.
Section 5. A collaborative future. Humans and AI shaping the art world together. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, we should embrace its potential as a collaborator.
Imagine human artists working alongside AI, using its capabilities to enhance their creative vision. The artist might provide the concept and emotional weight, while the AI helps realize it with unprecedented precision and detail.
This collaboration could lead to entirely new art forms. Imagine interactive sculptures that respond to viewers' emotions or kinetic installations powered by AI algorithms. The fusion of human creativity and AI's computational power could unlock artistic possibilities we can only dream of today.
The key to this collaborative future is finding the right balance. We need to ensure that AI remains a tool that enhances human creativity, not replaces it. This requires careful consideration of ethical guidelines and fostering dialogue between artists and AI developers.
Section 6. Finding harmony, balancing innovation and artistic integrity in the age of AI. The emergence of AI in sculpture is an exciting development. It has the potential to revolutionize the art form, offering new tools, techniques, and possibilities.
However, we must proceed with caution, addressing the ethical questions surrounding originality, authorship, and the impact on human creativity. The future of sculpture likely lies in collaboration.
By embracing AI as a creative partner, we can push the boundaries of artistic expression while preserving the essence of what it means to be human. The challenge is to find the right balance, ensuring that AI enhances, not eclipses, the human spirit that has always driven art.